Looking for the best AI note takers for Zoom calls, but don't know where to start or which tools to try? No worries, I'm here to help you. I already tested 25 AI note takers to see which are the best for Zoom meetings. Stay here because I will share the top 5 AI note takers for Zoom calls that I tried in the past 3 years, so you don't have to test it for yourself. I also recommend you to check out the description because I have some discounts for a couple of these tools, and if you decide to upgrade, you can do it at the lowest possible price. Let's dive in. Hey, it's good to have you here. If you haven't seen my videos yet, I am Aaron, the guy who helps you to find the perfect productivity apps so you don't have to spend time and money. As always, you can find the links to all the tools I mentioned in the comments and description. Don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter below to get an instant access to my list of best productivity tools with exclusive discounts. My fifth pick is Crisp. It is an AI note taker plus a noise cancelling application. A significant difference between Crisp and some other AI note takers is that Crisp doesn't require bots to join your Zoom calls. If you work in a noisy environment or just simply prioritize high quality audio for your meetings and don't need bots for your calls, Crisp might be the ideal choice for you. Let's see its key features. Crisp works on Zoom, Teams and Google Meet meetings, but it also supports in-person meetings through the mobile app. Crisp's AI note taker requires no additional plugins or bots to transcribe your Zoom calls. After your calls, you don't have to wait long and the transcription and recordings will be available within minutes. Also, you can edit them directly inside the app. Crisp automatically generates AI-powered notes that highlight the main discussion points and next steps. It's great that you can assign action items in the meeting participants as well. Crisp has an AI assistant that allows you to ask questions about your meetings. It provides instant answers to meeting-related questions, highlights key insights like action items and decisions, and saves time by eliminating the need to manually review transcripts. But the real reason why Crisp made it to my list is that it has some unique features that no other AI note takers offer. The first one is its noise cancellation tool that filters out the background chatter and keyboard sounds, so the transcripts are much cleaner. Additionally, Crisp includes real-time accent conversion, which helps make global meetings clearer and easier to follow. It transforms strong accents into natural-sounding voice without changing the meaning. When testing Crisp, I also appreciated that it let me add industry-specific terms. This helps to accurately pick up the terms you are using in your industry. As for the pricing, it doesn't have a free plan, but offers a 7-day free trial where you get full access to all the paid features. The Pro plan is $8 per month with yearly billing. It gives you unlimited audio and video recording, AI meeting notes and action items, AI chat, in-person meeting support, and more. For individual users and small teams, this can be the sweet spot. For larger teams, the business plan is $15 per user per month with yearly billing. It offers features like 4 hours per day of accent conversion, 30 GB storage, manager view, and advanced admin controls. This plan is designed for companies that need structure, compliance, and collaboration at scale. Finally, the enterprise plan comes with advanced security options, private on-device transcription, dedicated account managers, and usage analytics. Crisp is an excellent solution for professionals and small teams who need accurate, reliable, and botless recording and transcription for their Zoom calls. My only concern is that it doesn't have a free version. However, as far as I see it, its pricing plans are justified thanks to its unique features. Let's see my next pick. Zoom AI Companion is the native AI note taker of Zoom. To put it frankly, this is the only reason why I include it on my list. It has less powerful features compared to others on my list, especially compared to the number one pick, and I can only recommend it for those who already have a Zoom subscription and only need basic transcription and AI meeting notes. During meetings, you can ask questions like was my name mentioned, key action items, and basically anything. Also, it allows you to attach files if needed. After the meeting, Zoom will send you an email about your call, including the meeting recording and transcription. Nevertheless, you can also find a list of transcripts by navigating to recordings and transcripts in the Zoom web portal. The transcription is quite simple, nothing fancy. Besides the transcription, it will provide you with meeting recap and you can ask questions about your calls. You can access the meeting recaps in the app, the web portal, and it is also attached to the email once your call is concluded. If you want to access the meeting summary later on, just click on the docs and you can review your previous meetings anytime, alongside other company documents you created in Zoom Workspace. The meeting summary covers your most essential points from your Zoom call. It includes a quick recap, next steps, and a longer summary. You can create and choose from meeting templates, and it will structure the meeting summary accordingly. Also, you can write prompts and ask for more details, the key takeaways, topics, risks, action items, and more. If Zoom AI Companion missed anything, you can add further details as it works like a blog-based text editor. So you can add bullet points, files, headings, and more. If you click on the three dots, you can access further settings like page width, translation, link copying, and much more. Lastly, it is useful that you can add comments to the meeting summaries, mention your team members, and attach files. In terms of pricing, you can access it with the Pro plan for €20 and 49 cents with annual payment. To summarize, Zoom AI Companion is a basic AI note taker with less capabilities compared to others on this list. Nevertheless, if you already have a subscription, you can give it a try. Otherwise, I would not recommend to upgrade your Zoom workspace just because of this feature. Fathom is an easy-to-use AI note taker for your Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet calls. It has a great free plan and supports 38 languages. In terms of features, it might not have the most extensive feature set, but it has all the essential tools to support and improve your meeting productivity. Let me show them. During your call, there is a small widget up there that shows Fathom is recording and transcribing your call. As you can see, you can quickly turn off or pause the recording. In addition, you can capture what the speaker is saying with clips. Here, you can manually end the highlight or turn on the auto and after the current speaker. Furthermore, you can add a marker or action item to the current moment of the call. You can access the meeting notes, the recording, and the transcription on the homepage of Fathom. You can find the recording right here, and below, you can select if you want to work with the summary or transcript. If we take a look at the transcript, you can see that Fathom identifies speakers, and if you click on the text, it will take you to the exact moment in the recording, which is quite useful. Next to the transcript, there is the three dots icon. If you move your cursor there, you can edit the transcript, change the speaker, or delete this part of the conversation. The meeting summary breaks down your meetings into different points. However, the exact structure depends on the meeting template you choose. You can apply different templates for different calls. For example, there are templates for sales calls, Q&As, interviews, and more. With Ask Fathom, you can interact with your meeting recordings by asking questions in natural language. It provides instant answers, summaries of key decisions, draft follow-up emails, and can even give feedback on speaking style. Fathom has 4 pricing plans. The free plan includes unlimited recordings, transcription, and instant summaries. Also, you get premium features for 5 calls per month and access some integrations. Compared to other AI note takers, Fathom has a quite generous free plan, as you can access unlimited recordings, meeting notes, and transcriptions, which can be ideal for personal use. The premium plan is excellent for people who want to utilize the more advanced features. It has all the features in the free plan, plus Ask Fathom, advanced call summaries, action items, and some other advanced features. It is $16 per user per month with annual billing. The team plan was designed for small teams and starts with minimum of 2 users. With this plan, you will access team collaboration features like folders, comments, mentions, and playlists of highlights from team meetings. It costs $15 per user per month with annual billing. If you want powerful features like coaching and deal view, you have to pay for the business plan. It is $20 per user per month with annual billing. To wrap it up, Fathom is a simple AI note taker with a generous free plan and affordable pricing. Yes, it doesn't have that advanced features like you will see with my next 2 picks, but it can be a reasonable choice for those who need a straightforward solution to transcribe and summarize Zoom calls. If you are still here and watching, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. This way I can reach and help more people. Also, check out our apps library on TheBusinessDive.com to see all the tools we tested. In addition, we covered most of the tools we mentioned in this video, and you will access some additional insights about these apps, their alternatives, pros and cons, and more. My number 2 pick is MidGeek. It is an AI note taker that helps you to automate your Zoom meetings and offers an intuitive interface plus extensive meeting summaries. You can use MeetGeek on Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, WebEx, Slack, and more, and transcribe meetings in over 50 languages. MeetGeek records and transcribes your meetings with high accuracy. I also appreciated that it has a auto language detection, which makes it a useful tool for global teams. The transcription, recording, and summary are all on the same page. MeetGeek prepares highly detailed meeting summaries that you can easily share with your team members. It's great how it breaks down each part of the meetings into tasks, next steps, concerns, facts, and decisions. You can edit these meeting notes so you can add or remove specific points from your calls. Furthermore, it prepares you a draft email about the summary of the meeting that you can share with other participants. Don't worry, you can also edit this. The transcription is quite accurate, and MeetGeek provides spotless recording feature as well through its desktop app and browser extension. MeetGeek offers meeting analysis for your calls with actionable insights and recommendations, so you can improve your performance over time. Similarly to other AI note takers, it has an AI chat that lets you to ask questions about your calls, find tasks, or create documents. Other useful feature is the folders. With this one, you can structure and organize your calls into different folders. For example, you can create a folder for customer calls and another one for sales calls. Let's dive into MeetGeek's pricing. MeetGeek's free plan includes 3 hours of transcription per month, 3 months of transcript storage, and 1 month of audio storage. If using the free plan, you will access the AI summaries, meeting insights, botless recording, folders, and more. In terms of features, MeetGeek has a fair free plan, but the 3 hours of transcription cap makes it a bit limited for those who need a free AI note taker. The Pro plan is for professionals and costs $9.99 per month. With this plan, you can transcribe 20 hours per month and gives you access to 1 year transcription storage and 6 months audio storage. The business plan is ideal for teams and professionals who want to use all the advanced features without limit. It offers unlimited transcription and transcript storage, while it stores your audio recording for 1 year. Using this plan, you will access some team collaboration features, HD video recording, meeting insights for the whole team, besides other cool features. MeetGeek also offers an enterprise plan that includes some extras like organization-wide settings, a dedicated account manager, and more. Ultimately, if you prefer a versatile, feature-rich, and accurate AI note taker for your Zoom calls, MeetGeek can be a good choice. On the drawbacks, it has a limited free plan, and also if you purchase the Pro plan, it might not be sufficient for everyone who has overloaded calendars with meetings, since it has a transcription cap as well. Let's see my number 1 pick. For me, the best AI note taker for Zoom communication is Fellow. It is an AI note taker designed for organization-wide use, but it works great with smaller teams, freelancers, and professionals as well. Personally, I have been using this AI note taker for more than 6 months, and it was a game changer when it comes to automating meeting notes. Besides Zoom, it works on Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and Slack, and supports 92 languages. Recently, Fellow released its spotless recording option for users who don't want to use a bot to occupy a spot in their video calls, so whether you use a bot or not, it's in your hands. If using the botless feature, meeting host must approve Fellow's request to record, and Zoom has a built-in display to notify participants that the recording is taking place. After testing 25 AI note takers, I can safely say that Fellow has one of the most accurate transcriptions. It includes speaker IDs and timestamps to track who said what. If you click on the text, it will jump to that specific moment of the recording. Also, Fellow allows you to edit or redact the transcription in case a sensitive topic comes up, but you can also leave comments for your team members. After your Zoom calls, Fellow will send you the AI-powered meeting summaries in 5 or 10 minutes with the suggested action items, decisions, and topics discussed. You can edit, share, or change the meeting template to ensure Fellow structures it in a way that suits for that particular call. You have meeting templates for customer calls, one-on-ones, and much more, and you can create your own template as well. One of the features I use daily is its meeting agenda. With Fellow, you can create meeting agendas before your call to ensure you will not miss any crucial points. Plus, Fellow's AI tool can also help you in brainstorming talking points and send you pre-meeting briefs. When using Fellow in my day-to-day business, one of the most valuable features for me is Ask Fellow. You can get the wanted meeting information in seconds, and it can help you in numerous ways, including preparing follow-up emails, finding outstanding tasks from previous calls, and more. Besides getting answers about one particular call, you can also request TaskFellow to collect information from multiple meetings in the past. With Fellow, you can organize your recordings alongside transcriptions and summaries in numerous channels. Here, you can set permissions for each user to control who can access the meeting data. Fellow offers 2 plans for individuals and 4 plans for businesses. If you work alone, Fellow's free plan gives you 5 AI meeting notes and recordings. The 5 cap applies to the audio and video uploads as well. Furthermore, the free version covers AI meeting summaries, transcriptions, and action items, and you can access the Ask Fellow feature I showed you before. The solo plan is $19 per month if you choose the annual billing. With this plan, you can access all the features without limits, and you can utilize the integrations. Fellow provides 4 plans for businesses and teams. The free plan is essentially the same as the one offered for individuals. If choosing the team plan for $7 per user per month, you access 10 AI meeting notes, recordings, and file uploads per user. Also, you can use the AI meeting summary, transcription, action items, Ask Fellow feature, automation, and some integrations. The business plan is $15 per user per month in case of annual billing. You can utilize all the features without limits and access some additional organization-wide templates and advanced CRM integration. Finally, Fellow has an enterprise plan for $25 per user per month that offers advanced control and security. To summarize, Fellow offers generous pricing for both individuals and teams if you consider the features and the value it offers. Also, you will get 2 weeks free trial so you can test the features for yourself. One of the key reasons why I choose to use this AI note taker in my business is privacy. Fellow offers transcript detection, pause or resume recording, and granular policy controls by user, role, meeting type or domain, ensuring privacy and compliance across the organization. After testing numerous AI note takers, I discovered that most of them rely on all or nothing recording and lack redaction or retention policies, leaving sensitive data exposed. So, if you need an accurate and safe AI note taker with tons of productivity tools, I can recommend Fellow. That was it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts about these AI note takers, and also feel free to share what AI note takers you use. Please like and subscribe, and catch you later.